Both
That
of them.
was Seth just then, but yeah, she's still doing it. You're gonna hit her.
This was the tail end of my kids making fun of Grandma snoring.